This is R. Lakshmi, Assistant Professor of English, GDC Khairtabad, Government Degree College Khairtabad. This is Semester 3, Degree Second Year Syllabus, Unit 1. The poem is Life, written by Charlotte Bronte. In this lesson, the pre-reading activity discussed in the lesson is there are various questions which are questioned by the writer to make the reader think what is the life. So in pre-reading activity, the writer wants the reader to know or the recall the happy and unhappy moments of life. The learner has to know that always we cannot be successful in life, but there are failures. These failures are the stepping stone for success when we learn from our failures. Life gives many challenges. Whenever there is opportunity for success in life, the failures that we face in life make you to stand when the challenges leads you towards the success. The aim of the writer is to give the message to the modern or the present generation, the younger generation who are very easily depressed in life for little things. The example could be that if parents do not provide the demanded things, they become depressed. So the writer wants the readers to understand and change their attitude towards the life and be prepared for everything in the life that comes as a challenge, and you have to learn from the challenges. It is possible only when you have right attitude towards the life. Now the poem Life, Charlotte Bronte is the introduction of the writer is the writer. She is born in 1816 and 1816 to 1855. She is the 19th century English writer. She is the classical writer. Her pen name is Currer Bell. With this name, she has published all the novels, including the Jane Eyre, which she has published in 1847. The Life, Charlotte Bronte. Life, the very first sentence in the poem, which is life, belief is not a dream. Makes the writer feel or makes the writer understand that the very sentence of the poem, the very first sentence of the poem focuses on the realities of the life and reminds us that we have to face moments of joy as well as sorrow, hope as well as despair in life. Then some lines in the poem, if the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall, rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. However, the poet urges or the poet wants us to have a positive attitude and not to be disheartened by temporary setbacks. The writer or the poet encourages us to look beyond the immediate disappointment that we face in life. What though sorrow seems to win over hope, a heavy sway, yet hope again elastic springs. The message of the poet in this unit is that one has to appreciate the pleasures the life has to offer. The poet asserts that in the battle between hope and despair, although despair may seem more powerful initially, in the beginning we feel as if we are losing everything. That is what it means. But then it is the hope that will make you win eventually. Finally, it is your hope that makes you victorious in the field when you face the challenge. So this is the message the writer gives. Now I give a reading of the poem The Life. These are all the messages given in this poem. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say, of a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered, though she fell. Still beyond her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously, can encourage quell despair. The message is to be courageous. It is only your courage, your attitude that makes or that destroys the depression or make you victorious in the life. So this is the poem Life. Thank you. अरे पॉज हो गया.